In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these WASSCE chemistry problems under orbitals. So we have about 9 to 11 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the orbitals 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f has the lowest energy? So guys, the right option to this question will be option C, 4s. Alright, so when you are arranging orbitals, you're going to see 4x before you see 4p, 4d, and 4f. Okay, so the right option is option C. So in orbitals, the transition of energy moves from the highest orbital to the lowest orbital. So the lowest orbital here is 4s, basically. Option C. The next everyday question will be this one. It says the valence electron of the element magnesium are in the, so it will be in the 3s orbital, because when you are arranging the orbital for magnesium, the first orbital there is we are going to have 1s, we have 1s, 2x, 2p, then 3x. So in the 3x, that's where you're going to have the two valence electron that exists as the outermost shell electron. Okay, so that electron that is being discharged or given out when magnesium takes place in chemical reaction 2x. So the valence electron of the elements magnesium are in the 3s orbital. Okay, very important. The next repeated question will be this one. It says how many orbitals are associated with the p sub energy level? So the p sub energy level has 3 orbitals. Very important, guys. Take note of these. Whereas the in which in these 2 orbitals, the 2 orbitals are filled up with 6 electrons, whereas in the d sub energy level it has 5 orbitals, which are filled up with 10 electrons. The f sub energy level has 7 orbitals that are filled up with 14 electrons. The x has 1 orbital that is filled up with 2 electrons. So guys, it's important that you guys note this, very important. Next question. So for this question, the answer is 3. Alright, 3 orbitals that are associated with p sub energy level. Next question will be this one. It says the number of orbitals in a p sub level of an atom. So if we have answered the way is 3. Next question will be this one. It says how many orbitals are contained in an atom with atomic number 13. So 13 atomic number gives aluminium. So that's how you represent this. Now, if you want to represent the electronic configuration or distribution of this atom, you're going to have 2, 8, and 3. Alright, the 2 is for K shell, the 8 is for the L shell, and M is for, and the 3 rather is for the M shell. So 2 plus 8 plus 3 give 13. That's aluminium, right? So when you check the arrangement, we have 3 shells. So these 3 shells represent the orbitals. So how many orbitals are contained in an atom with atomic number 13? So since in the arrangement having 3 shells, K, L, and M, so this shows us that it will be 3 orbitals. So option A is the right answer to this question. It's as simple as this. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following processes is not exhibited by atoms in order to attain more stable electron configuration? So the right option, sharing electrons is involved, gain of electrons is involved, losing electrons is involved. So the exception here is hybridization of atoms. Okay, next question, this one. It says the species with no electron in the 3d orbitals is, so the right option this question is option D, which is scandium ion. Okay, so the next question will be this one. It says how many orbitals are in the d sub shell? I think I've talked about this already. Right answer would be option C, 5. So there are 5 orbitals in the d sub shell. Next question will be this one. It says the region around the nucleus where electrons can be located is called orbital. Option A is the right answer to this question. The last question before I end this video with this one. It says atomic orbital is a region around the nucleus where electrons are most likely to be found. Yeah, so that's the right answer to this question, option A. So this basically can deal with problems involving orbitals for your WASSCE chemistry practice with about 9 to 10 questions in this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's call the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that a part of the channel member, but the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.